This problem might seem a little tricky, but I think it's easier if you go ahead and try to draw a picture. I'm looking for all the points, it doesn't tell me how many, that have an x-coordinate of 2, whose distance from the point negative 2, 1 is 5. So what I'm going to do is start by drawing a picture like this. It's going to be my coordinate system. So I'm going to put a dot for that point to start. So I need to go back 2, 1, 2, down 1. I'm going to put a dot like that, and I'm going to label that as P, because that's my point. From here, I am looking for, it says all these guys have to have, these ones that I'm looking for, have to have an x-coordinate of 2. So I'm now going to go ahead and map out. I'm going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to put a vertical line like this. It's kind of difficult. A vertical line like that that kind of represents all the points with an x-coordinate of 2. From here, I'm going to count the distance, and I'll do it in orange, from here to here horizontally. So I'm going to look at that length right there. That length, pretty obviously, I can count it out, it's 4. So I'll just put a little 4 in orange right there. Maybe I will put a 4 here. And then I'll put it here so we know it's there, since we can't really read that. Anyway, so I know that I will go to green. I've got to have a line like this that has a length of 5, and a line like this that has a length of 5 that will hit that dotted line. I know that I get 2 of them because if I were to stick the 5 straight out there, it would land where that green guy is, and then you can imagine like kind of swirling it around the blue P point right there. So anyway, maybe you're starting to see where I'm going to go from this. Notice if I take the green and the orange, so maybe I'll even do it color coded. So I've got green, I've got orange, and I've got blue. So that's the upper one. I know that this guy is 5, this guy is 4, this is the one I'm looking for. If I can find that distance, then I can just go that high above the orange line. You could use Pythagorean theorem to get that, or you could say, oh, I know that from geometry, it's the triangle that they used all the freaking time. So it is, I almost wrote it wrong, it is 3. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So this coordinate of this point that's directly right of the P is, remember this guy was negative 2, 1. So I go over 4, so that's 2 comma negative 1. Now what I need to do is go up 3, that's this distance from that to get to this point, and then down 3 to get to that point. So when I go up 3, I'm at 2 comma 2, and then when I go down 3, and I added that 3 right here to the y coordinate right there, and the x coordinate stayed the same. So the negative 1 and the 3 add to give me that guy, and this guy is the same as that guy. The other one, I subtract 3 from negative 1, so I get 2 comma negative 4. So that guy and that guy, my answer, so it's 2, 2, and 2 comma negative 4. Boom. That's it. Really not that hard. So you should understand this and be able to do this. I like these problems.